Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious veggie soup, step by step. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. You will need about 6 cups of mixed vegetables, such as carrots, celery, onions, and potatoes. Wash them thoroughly and chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Also, measure out 6 cups of vegetable broth and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build the foundational flavors for our soup. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery. Sauté these aromatics for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they begin to soften. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute more until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. This step is crucial for a rich taste. Next, we will bring all the flavors together. Pour 6 cups of vegetable broth into the pot, ensuring it covers the sautéed vegetables. Now, add any harder vegetables you are using, such as diced potatoes or green beans. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. For our final steps, we will add the finishing touches. If you are using softer vegetables like spinach or peas, stir them in during the last 5 minutes of cooking. Season your soup with about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Taste the soup and adjust any seasonings to your preference. Ladle the hot, comforting veggie soup into bowls and garnish with some fresh parsley or cilantro. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.